Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken chest in King Legacy. First, you must defeat the powerful Kraken boss. Once the boss is vanquished, the Kraken chest will appear somewhere in the vast ocean. Keep a keen eye out for its distinct glow. Remember, you'll need a special key to unlock its treasures, so make sure you have one ready before you approach. To open the Kraken chest, you'll need the elusive Kraken key. This key is a rare drop from the Kraken boss itself, so be prepared for several battles to acquire it. Persistence is key here, as its drop rate is quite low. Once you obtain the key, ensure it's securely stored in your inventory, ready for when you find the chest. With the Kraken key in hand, navigate your ship towards the glowing Kraken chest. Once you are close enough, simply interact with the chest. Your character will automatically use one Kraken key from your inventory to unlock it. Be aware that each chest requires one key, so plan your key usage wisely to maximize your rewards. The Kraken chest offers a variety of valuable rewards, including powerful fruits, precious gems, and a substantial amount of belly. The specific items you receive are random, but they can greatly enhance your character's abilities and wealth. Continuously hunting and opening these chests is an excellent strategy to accelerate your progress and become stronger in King Legacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.